this is our last hotel, or should I say guest house. So from the moment you enter, you have to remove your shoes, keep your shoes here, and then you have to grab one of those slip-ons, and then voila, look at that, it's so beautiful. So yan, ito ang first level, ground floor, and then going up, ang ganda. Ayan, view sa labas. Diretso siya dyan. Ayan yung view. Look at that. And then, going up is our room. So, ito ang corridor namin. That's our corridor. So, this is our room. Ta-da! Welcome to our last room for our Kyrgyzstan stay. So, pagpasok mo, ayan, makikita mo. Sabit mo dyan ang iyong sweater or jacket. And then, this is your washroom. Ayan. Then, this is our room.
Hi! Welcome to our hotel. Here in... What was this? Guys,
Here.
napakaganda.
Okay, we will just put the name of the location where we are now. And then, this
Ito
is...
nga pala yung mga alaga ko, guys. Ang lalaki na nila, guys. Amazing. This is so amazing.
This is our, terrace balcony. Oh, hi!
Hello!
And
Gaganda ng horse.
look.
Welcome tayo ng cow.
Yeah. Where is he? No, they're bringing them inside because they prepared it earlier.
Yan nga pala yung mga sasakyan namin bukas.
Yeah. Kasi nag-prepare na sila like outside.
Lilibutin namin ang hacienda namin bukas.
Yes.
Dahil ngayon lang kami nakabisita sa hacienda namin.
Oh, ituro mo saan tayo
Doon kami
bukas.
pupunta. Doon. Yung hacienda
Look at
namin is nasa
that!
tuktok ng bundok.
Look at the view, everyone.
Good morning. Good morning. Kamusta mga ari-arian ko dito, Desi?
Madam, hindi pa tapos po yung sa guest house.
Hindi ba't sinabi ko sa'yo na bilisan mo ang pagpapagawa mo niyan?
Tagal niyo po magpadala. Hi, doggy. See you. Look at our view. My doggy.
Hi guys! Tara, samahan niyo ako sa aking farm.
Farm?
Hacienda. Dito sa Kyrgyzstan. Papakita ko sa inyo ang aking mga alaga. Ito nga pala si Inday at si Dudong. Namiss ko kayo guys.
Oh my God, it is Myrtle. Say hi to Carlos. This is Carlos.
Hi, Carlos.